Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to find user ID in Slack. So what you want to do is go to any, let's say, direct messages right here. So right here, so I can see the members of my workspace. But of course, you could also do something like this. Go to the channel members, and right here, you could click on them, and this will make it view their profile. But for easier access, you do it here on direct messages. So click on them. Then what you want to do is view conversation details. Then click on view full profile, and this will pop up. Then what you want to do is click on the three dots right here, and here you can see the copy member ID. So just click on that, and when you now click on paste, so Control V for Windows users. As you can see, it's now pasted right there. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.